Hello there, I'm Alex, the founder of Siren Affiliates. I've been working in e-commerce, course creation, and website development since 2009. And I created and I ran my first tutorial website teaching people how to edit photos with a popular open source photo editor during that time, and ran that site for many years. And I even published a few books on the subject at the time. And this is how I found my way into WordPress. And honestly, the rest is history. Before I knew it, I was thinking less about photo editing and I was falling in love with the freelance economy that was big at the time. And I just got swept into web development and e-commerce in general. And my entrepreneurial streak led me to building hundreds of WordPress plugins for people and selling courses, teaching people how to build their own WordPress plugins along the way. Over time, I found myself in need of an affiliate solution, and I did not like the solutions that were on the market because they never quite did exactly what I wanted them to do. You see, at the time, I was running a web development agency, and I wanted to hire salespeople to work for me. And that's theoretically pretty close to what an affiliate program is, but it was just different enough to not really work quite in the way that I wanted it to. So I kept finding myself needing special cases for different affiliates. And over time, it became very cumbersome to manage my different affiliate types and their needs over time. I realized what I needed was a completely different way to look at affiliate solutions for WordPress. I didn't simply want an affiliate solution. I wanted an incentive program builder, and I couldn't find anything on the market that worked in the way that I envisioned it should. So I created Siren. Today, Siren serves hundreds of websites managing their incentive program needs. And some of those programs are good old-fashioned affiliate programs, but many of them are some amazingly unique incentive programs that look absolutely nothing like an affiliate program. Since then, I have become obsessed with incentive programs, partnerships, what motivates people, and leveraging Siren as a tool to help people launch their businesses. And I have personally helped dozens of others leverage Siren to find their first key affiliates, launch their product with those affiliates, and help leverage those connections to launch their product successfully without paying a dime in ad spend. And I'm excited to introduce you to Siren in this course and share a small piece of my knowledge that can help you launch your own incentive program. Let's get started.